This is Master GongSun, and today we are planting oranges on land that my family owns. Of course, it's not really anything now, it's just the budding seed, right? I believe this is it. See, I'm no horticulturist, I'm no expert. I believe this is a seed right there, the little white bud there. So, in many ways, this is very Taoist because we are participating in change. We are planting seeds that will soon sprout if properly taken care of. So, my nephew is hard at work digging a hole in the ground where we could plant some fruits. So, in addition to oranges, we're planning to plant mango trees. So we could either sell them or eat them.